ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यम् वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्
लट्लकार भवति भवतः भवन्ति भवसि भवतः भवथा भवामि भवावः भवामः लोट्लकार भवतु भवतां भवन्तु भव भवतं भवता भवानि भवाव भवाम लुट्लकार भविष्यति भविष्यतः भविष्यन्ति भविष्यसि भविष्यतः भविष्यथा भविष्यामि भविष्यावः भविष्यामः.
Next, Brahma Dhatu. Same Bhu Dhatu as it is Brahma Dhatu. Someone can declare.
भ्रमति भ्रमतः भ्रमन्ति भ्रमसि भ्रमतः भ्रमथ भ्रमामि भ्रमावः भ्रमः भ्रमतु भ्रमतां भ्रमन्तु भ्रम भ्रमतं भ्रमत भ्रमाणि भ्रमाव भ्रमाम लकार भ्रमिष्यति भ्रमिष्यतः भ्रमिष्यन्ति भ्रमिष्यसि भ्रमिष्यतः भ्रमिष्यत भ्रमिष्यामि भ्रमिष्यावः भ्रमिष्यामः.
Next, Ruh Dhatu. Ruh is also same like Bhu Dhatu.
हरि ओम अम्मा. रुहति रुवतः रुवन्ति
रोहति
Not ruhati, rohati. Ruh becomes ro.
रोहति अम्मा. रोहति रोहतः रोहन्ति रोहसि रोहतः रोहत रोहामि रोहाव रोहामः रोहात् रोहातु रोहातां रोहन्तु रोहव रोहवतं रोहवत् रोहवानि रोहवाव रोहवाम. लुट्लकारम्.
Wait. रोहति रोहतः रोहन्ति रोहसि रोहतः रोहथ रोहामि रोहावः रोहामः. Va won't come there. It is Bhu Dhatu, Va came, but for Ruh Dhatu, Va won't come. Rohatu rohatam rohantu roha rohatam rohata rohani rohava rohama rohishyati. Lrut lakara is not like bhavishyati. Rokshyati rokshyataha rokshanti rokshyasi rokshyataha rokshyatha रोक्ष्यामि रोक्ष्यावः रोक्ष्यामः.
అంటే మన క్ష వస్తుందా, ష రాదా?
క్ష వస్తుంది. I'll copy here. 1 minute. Lat, lot are same, but rut is different. Now you can tell. Rokshyati, rokshataha.
रोक्षति रोक्षतः रोक्षन्ति रोक्षसि रोक्षतः रोक्षत रोक्षयां रोक्षामि रोक्षातः रोक्षातः रोक्षामः
Next, tyaj dhatu.
त्यजति त्यजतः त्यजन्ति त्यजसि त्यजतः त्यजत त्यजामि त्यजावः त्यजामः त्यजतु त्यजतां त्यजन्तु त्यज त्यजतं त्यजत त्यजानि त्यजाव त्यजाम.
For tyaj dhatu also same rut lakara like this ruh dhatu.
Like
Like ruh dhatu. Rokshyati is there, na? The tyakshyati. Tyakshyati, tyakshyataha, tyakshanti. Okay, I'll copy that also. Now you can decline this.
त्यक्षति त्यक्षतः त्यक्षन्ति त्यक्षसि त्यक्षतः त्यक्षथा त्यक्षामि त्यक्षावः त्यक्षामः.
1 minute. Next dhatu is what? Vas dhatu.
लट् लकार वसति वसतः वसन्ति वससि वसथ वसतः वसथ वसामि वसाव वसाम. लोट् लकार वसतु वसतां वसन्तु वस वसा वसतं वसत वसानि वसाव वसाम.
This vatsyati, these forms are different, not like the other two. How many forms do you have to remember? But after some time, we will recognize easily. We don't need to memorize also.
If you say so, Purnaji.
Vatsyati, vatsyataha, vatsyanti, like that it goes. Now you can read.
Lakara. Vatsyati, vatsyataha, vatsyanti, vatsyasi, vatsyataha, vatsyatha, वत्स्यामि वत्स्यावः वत्स्यामः
Yes. Next was dhatu. Ni dhatu. Ni dhatu, lat and lot. Both are same. Who wants to chant? Next.
Can I?
Hmm.
नयति नयतः नयन्ति नयसि नयतः नयता नयामि नयावः नयामः लोट् लकार नयतु नयतां नयन्तु नय नयतं नयता नयानि नयाव नयाम लृट् लकार नैष्यति
Neshyati.
नेष्यति नेष्यति नेष्यतः नेष्यतः नेष्यन्ति नेष्यसि नेष्यतः नेष्यथा नेष्यामि नेष्याव नेष्यावः नेष्यामः
Next. I'll do whatever requires. The headings and all I will do later. Hru dhatu.
हरति हरति हरतः हरन्ति हरसि हरतः हरत हरामि हरावः हरामः लोट् लकार हरतु हरतां हरन्तु हर हरतं हरत हरानि हराव हराम लृट् लकार
Lृट्.
हरिष्यति हरिष्यति
Yes, yes.
हरिष्यति हरिष्य
Same as bhavishyati.
हरिष्यति हरिष्यतः हरिष्यन्ति हरिष्यसि हरिष्यतः हरिष्यत हरिष्यामि हरिष्यावः हरिष्यामः
Next, krish dhatu. Next, who is going to chant? Kavya? Okay, Aparna ji.
which one Punaki Krish dhatu
Karshati. It goes like karshati.
कर्षति कर्षतः कर्षतः कर्षन्ति कर्षसि कर्षथः कर्षथ कर्षामि कर्षावः कर्षामः लोट् लकार कर्षतु कर्षतां कर्षन्तु कर्ष कर्षतं कर्षतं कर्षता कर्षानि कर्षाव कर्षाम then Nrit Lakara will it go like Patishyati?
It is different. It is different.
Okay.
Karakshati. Karakshati or Krakshati. Like that it goes.
Karshyati.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Karshati. Krashyati.
Not Karakshati. Karakshati. Karshya.
Okay. Karshyati. Krishyati. कर्ष्यतः क्रक्ष्यतः कर्ष्यन्ति क्रक्ष्यन्ति कर्ष्यसि कर्ष्यसि क्रक्ष्यसि कर्ष्यथः क्रष्यथः कर्ष्यथ क्रष्यथ कर्ष्यामि कृष्यामि कर्ष्यावः क्रक्ष्यावः कर्ष्यामः क्रष्यामः.
Okay, I will do it. Karkshyati, krakshyati. Karkshyatah, krakshyatah. Karksyanti, krakshyanti. Some background disturbance is there. Please, you can mute. Karkshyasi, krakshyasi. Karkshyatah, krakshyatah. Karkshyatha, krakshyatha. Karkshyami, krakshyami. Karkshyavaha, krakshyavaha. Karkshyamaha, krakshyamaha. This dhatu is difficult. Huh.
Remember, two things is there.
There are optional forms will be there. Like here, you may not observe that lot lakara. Here 3 forms are there. Bhavatat, bhavatad, bhavatu. 3 forms are there. Like bhavatat and bhavatad, this we know because of jalam jashonte, and one is vavasane. One is by jalam jashonte, one is by vavasane. Vavasane means optionally, if you want to change the jal, you can change, or you don't want to change, then you keep as it is. So the optional form is there. Like that, some optional forms will be there. Even in Yushmad, Asmad, in all of these, optional forms will be there. Some sutras also, different sutras will apply. Based on that, another form can come. Okay. Next, Vah Dhatu.
Amma. Vahati, vahatah, vahanti. Vahasi, vahatah, vahata. Vahami, vahavaha, vahamaha. Lot lakar. Vahatu, vahatam, vahantu. Vaha, vahatam, vahata. Vahani, vahava, vahama. Amma lut etlama?
Vakshyati, vakshyati.
Vashyati, vashyatah, vashyanti.
No, not the shya. Vakshyati, like tyakshyati is there, na? Like that. Vakshyati, vakshataha.
Vakshati, vakshatah, vakshanti. Vakshasi, vakshatah, vakshata. Vakshami.
Dirgha is not there. Vakshyasi, vakshataha, vakshyatha.
Vakshatha. Vakshami, vakshavaha, vakshamaha.
Yes. Next, Vadhatu. Duh dhatu. Duh dhatu is different. Even latlakara different. Duh is Adadigana. I told you in Adadigana, all dhatus are declinations are little bit different. Asdhatu is asti staha santi. Asi staha sta. Not us.
अस्ति अम्मा अस्ति सः सन्ति
But titaha anti same na. Asdhatu. Yeah, asdhatu, that asti staha santi is vadigana. Asdhatu is there in 4 ganas. Adadigana, Divadigana, Tudadigana. In 4 ganas it is there. Okay, this as dhatu asti staha santi asi stahasta asmi swaha smaha. This is adadigana only. See, that asti staha santi is different declensions. Dogdhi, dugdaha, duhanti. These are little bit different. So we have to remember the forms. We should not depend upon other forms. Okay, next. Aparnaji?
We can check. One question, Purnaji, for Madhyama Purusha Prathama Vachanam, is it Dhokshi or Dokshi?
Dhokshi.
Okay. Only for that it is the.
Huh. Huh.
Dhatu, Dadigana, Dogdhi, Dugdaha, Duhanti, Dhokshi, Dugdaha, Dugdha, Dohmi, Dufvaha, Dufmaha. Then Lot Lakara. How will Lot Lakara go?
Yeah, here.
Okay. Dugdhat, Dugdhat, Dogdhu, Dugdham, Duhantu. Dugdhat, Dugdhad, Dugdhi, Dugdham, Dugdha. Dohani, Dohava, Dohama. Then Rit Lakara will be Dhokshyami, Dhokshataha, Dhokshanti, Dhokshasi, Dhokshataha, Dhokshatha, Dhokshyami, Dhokshyavaha, Dhokshyamaha.
Like this, do dhatu will go. Next, yach dhatu. Yach is yachati, yachataha, like that.
याचति याचतः याचन्ति याचसि याचतः याचता याचामि याचावः याचामः लोट्लकार కూడా సేమ్ అమ్మా యాచతు యాచతాం యాచంతు యాచ యాచతం యాచత యాచాని యాచావ యాచామ మల్లుటం
యాచిష్యతి
యాచిష్యతి యాచిష్యతః యాచిష్యంతి యాచిష్యసి యాచిష్యతః యాచిష్యథ యాచిష్యామి యాచిష్యావః యాచిష్యామః.
Next, yach dhatu. Dand. Okay, dand dhatu, it goes like churadigana, like chorayati we did, na? Like that it goes. Next. Who?
दण्डयति दण्डयतः दण्डयन्ति दण्डयसि दण्डयतः दण्डयथ दण्डयामि दण्डयावः दण्डयामः दण्डयतु दण्डयतः दण्डयतां दण्डयन्तु दण्डय दण्ड्य
Dandaya.
ओके दण्डया दण्डयतं दण्डयत दण्डयानि दण्डयाव दण्डयाम दण्डिष्यति दण्डयिष्यति
दण्डयिष्यति
दण्डयिष्यति दण्डयिष्यतः दण्डयिष्यन्ति दण्डयिष्यसि दण्डयिष्यतः दण्डयिष्यथ दण्डयिष्यामि दण्डयिष्यावः दण्डयिष्यामः.
Next, rudh dhatu. Alternate. Rudh dhatu. Shivananji.
Urunadhi, Urundaha, Urundanti, Urunatsi, Urundaha, Urundha, Urunadmi, Urundva, Urunmaha.
See here, 5 forms are there. So we should not say like sometimes rundhat will be there. Sometimes rundhu only will be there. So sometimes rundhad will be there. Different forms will be there when we look at in Shastra. We should not say, we should not depend upon only one form, like rundhu is the prathama purusha ekavachanam. So I will read that only. No, we have to know all the forms. In many times, like in Yushmad and Asmad, Naha comes. Naha is optional form actually. It is not original form. Naha is optional form. If you look at in Bhashya, in mantras and all, Naha only will be there. Swamiji mentions that when they studied, okay, these are optional forms. We don't need to memorize
I remember.
because it is optional. Huh?
Yes, I remember that. So we don't need to remember only those games.
Huh. So we don't need to remember optional forms, but when we look at in shloka and all, naha only will be there. It is not asmabhyam, asmagam, all these forms won't be there. We have to translate. If Bhashya is there and Bhashyakara compassionate, all did all that work. So otherwise, we will not know. Okay, please continue. Lot Lakara.
रुन्धाद् रुन्धां रुन्धन्तु
Mm.
रुन्धी रुन्धं रुन्ध ऋणधानि ऋणधाव ऋणधाम
Hmm.
रोत्स्यति रोत्स्यतः रोत्स्यन्ति रोत्स्यसि रोत्स्यथः रोत्स्यथ रोत्स्यामि रोत्स्यावः रोत्स्यामः
Hmm. Rh dhatu, rudh. Rudh, what meaning I did yesterday? What did I say for rudh dhatu? I think to cry. Did I say cry?
Yes, Amma.
But here dhatu is different dhatu. Rudhir avarane. Avarane means to cover. Rudh means to cry. Rudra, that word comes from Rudh only, but that is different dhatu. This is avarane, to cover. Change that mistake. Next, ching chayane. Chi. Next. Continue. Whoever.
Okay,
Who is,
चिनोति चिनुतः चिन्वन्ति चिनोषि चिनुतः चिनुथ चिनोमि चिनुवः चिन्वः चिनुमः चिन्मः
To collect. Chi means to collect.
चिनुतात् चिनुताद् चिनुतां चिन्वन्ति चिन्वन्तु चिनु चिनुतात् चिनुतां चिनुता
Chinutam.
चिनुतं चिनुता चिन्वाणि चिन्वावा चिन्वामा
Chinavani.
चिनवानि चिनवावा चिनवामा चेष्यति चेष्यतः चेष्यन्ति चेष्यसि चेष्यथः चेष्यथा चेष्यामि चेष्यावः चेष्यामः.
Okay. Next. Brudhatu. Next, who is going to say?
అమ్మ హరి ఓం నేను చెప్తాను బృదార్థం.
Jaya join అయ్యావా?
అమ్మ నెట్ పోయిందమ్మా.
Okay. Continue. We can't hear you. Hari Om.
హరి ఓం. హరి ఓం.
Continue.
అమ్మ స్క్రీన్ రావట్లేదమ్మా.
Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, we can say Purnaji. I was not sure if somebody else wanted to say it or not. That's why I was saying.
Jaya, maybe your internet is not good. Okay. Next one.
ब्रवीति ब्रूतः ब्रुवन्ति ब्रवीषि ब्रूतः ब्रूत ब्रवीमि ब्रूवः ब्रूमः.
Braviti, many times aha comes or braviti comes?
Aha comes.
Ahatuhu, ahuhu. These forms will come, but those forms are optional forms. Yeah, please, can you mute? There is some noise background. Aha braviti, ahatuhu brutaha, ahuhu bruvanti, atta bravishi, ahatuhu brutaha, brutha, bravimi, bruvaha, brumaha. What is anybody remember that there is sutra for bru becomes aha? This Swamiji mentioned many times. It is not given. I say in this only. Okay, I'll let you know later. What is that sutra? Bru change into aha. Next, continue.
Bravitu brutam bruvantu.
All forms we have to read.
Bravitu brutat brutad brutam bruvantu brutat brutad bruhi brutam bruta bravani bravava bravama.
Next.
Bravishyati.
No, vakshyati.
Okay. Vakshyati, vakshyataha, vakshanti, vakshyasi, vakshataha, vakshata, vakshyami, vakshavaha, vakshyamaha.
Completely different. Bru, where is bru? Where is vakshyati? Next, shas dhatu. Next, who is there?
Shasti, I can say Purnaji. Shasti, Shishtaha, Shasati, Shasi, Shishtaha, Shishta, Shasmi, Shishtvaha, Shishmaha. then lot lakara will be shastu. I can't see it Purnati. Shastu, shishtat, shishtad, shishtam, shastu, shadhi, shishtat, shishtad, shishtam, shishta, shas, shasani, shasava, shasama, shasishyati, sasishyatah, shasishyanti, शास्यसि शास्यथः शास्यथ शास्यामि शास्यावः शास्यामः.
Yes. So it is very difficult to pronounce also. Bruvaha panchanamadita aho bruvaha. Bru dhatu will get aha in lat lakara first 5. Prathama ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Dvitiya ekavachana and madhyama purusha ekavachana and dvivachana. Up to here only this aha is there, you see. Aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu. Atta, ahatuhu. So only 5. First 5 will get aha. Aha will get by which sutra? Bru will get aha. This much we can understand, right? Bru will get aha. Panchanam adita. Adita means first 5. First 5 is what? Prathama purusha ekavachanam, prathama purusha dvivachanam, prathama purusha bahuvachanam, prathama purusha madhyama purusha ekavachanam, madhyama purusha dvivachanam. First 5 gets aha instead of bruvaha. Is this sutra clear?
Yes,
You can note down the number 3484. Bruvaha panchanamadita aho bruvaha. See, many times this the dhatu comes. So at least we should be very familiar when we hear. Okay, where we are? Shas, we finished. Madh dhatu. Okay, I haven't copied madh dhatu. That madh dhatu and mush dhatu. 2 dhatus we will see tomorrow. We will do this dhatus practice in one more section so that it will be a little bit familiar. I'm just thinking, this tika, we have already heard from Swamiji directly, right? And now we are learning Sanskrit. We should be able to, like at least a little bit, meaning we should be able to get from it. Why don't we practice that? It is a blessings to practice from Swamiji's tika. But wherever you will be able to do it, there only I will ask you to explain, otherwise not. Okay, who wants to read this line? Asya granthasya. Quickly.
अस्य ग्रन्थस्य वेदान्तशास्त्रप्रकरण रूपत्वात् शास्त्र एकदेशसम्बन्धत्वात्
संबद्धत्वादि
संबद्धत्वादिलक्षणत्वात् च अनुबन्ध चतुष्टय प्रदर्शनेन अपि मङ्गलं करोति यथा.
Up to this, okay. Asya is which vibhakti?
षष्ठी एकवचनम.
Shashti ekavachanam. Pratipadika is what? Pratipadika. Pratipadika means you know, right?
Yes.
Like Rama Shabda, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Pratipadika is Rama Shabda. That is easy because Prathama Ekvachanam is also Rama. So it is easy. Ramasya also included Rama. But in Asya Shabda, the Pratipadika is not included. Okay, Granthasya Pratipadika is what? That is easy. Asya is idam. Idam. Idam Shashti Ekavachanam Asya. Idam means you know. Idam means this. Asya Granthasya. What will be the meaning?
This text. I mean, this grantha.
Asya Granthasya. Anybody?
Did we want to?
Yeah, please, when you speak at that time only, you can unmute. Otherwise, keep in mute. Asya Granthasya. Any other meaning?
Ee Grantham Yukha.
Of this Grantha, it is Shashti. So, of this Grantha. Vedanta Shastra Prakarana Rupatvat. Which Vibhakti it is?
Panchami Amma.
Panchami. So, what will be the meaning for Panchami?
Grandhamu nundi ane Amma. Vedanta Grandhamu nundi.
Any other meaning for Panchami? Other than from
Grandhamu nundi.
Hetu.
Yes. This Vedanta this Grantha is Prakaran, it has Prakarana Rupatvat. Vedanta Shastra Prakarana Rupatvat. This Grantha, it has Vedanta Prakarana Rupa and Shastraika Desha Sambandhatvadi. Lakshanatvad. It has Shastraika Desha Sambandhatva Lakshana also. That is Prakarana Grantha definition. It comes later. Next. Anubandha Chatushtaya Pradarshanena. Means what?
That is Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya. What should be the meaning?
To show Anubandha Chatushtaya. darshana, to indicate.
By, not to.
Sorry,
By.
yes, by, correct. In English and in Sanskrit, exactly.
Okay.
Terminology is different.
You said through also, right? Through also is correct. Through Anubandha Chatushtaya, Mangalam is doing. Means Mangalacharanam is doing. So this way we should try to get the meaning. I don't know how much accurate I said in English, but the Vakya meaning is this. Through Anubandha Chatushtaya, Mangalacharanam is going to be done. Asya Granthasya, of this Grantha, it has Vedanta Shastra Prakarana, Rupam, as well as Shastraika Desha Sambandhatvam. Because of that, these two are Hetus. Because of that,
this okay.
Hmm.
I will ask in the end.
Hmm. Yes, please.
This prakarana rupatvat, all this vat will end like in Panchami only. Yeah? Vat means actually rupatvat means
Swarupa, Prakarana Rupatvat means Prakarana Grantha. It is like Prakarana Grantha. Not like, it has Prakarana Rupa. Prakarana Rupa means like Prakarana Grantha.
okay. Consisting of Prakarana Rupa.
Tattva Bodha, Atma Bodha, all these are Prakarana Granthas. So this Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha also, it has Prakarana Rupa. Prakarana Rupa means Prakarana Swarupa. Prakarana Grantha.
So it consists of Vedanta Shastra Prakarana Rupa. Like that kind of.
Vedanta Shastrasya. Actually, there samasa should be Vedanta Shastrasya Prakarana Rupatvat. Why it is Shastrasya? Because Vedanta Prakarana is of Vedanta Shastra. This Prakarana Grantha definition will come in this later. Okay. What is Prakarana Grantha and what is Shastra? Those definitions are explained later. Shastraika Desha Sambandhatva is the Lakshana of Prakarana Grantha.
Mm-hmm.
So this Grantha has these two Lakshanas. That's why through Anubandha Chatushtaya, Mangalam is doing. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Om.
Harihi.
Harihi.
Harihi.